In this video, I just wanted to show you how simple the daily process is to generate sales and referrals on LinkedIn using my LinkedIn strategy. So here goes. First thing I do every day, or you would do every day, is just go to linkedin.com, go to your messaging. You're going to hit the three arrows, hit unread. I've just caught up on everything, so there is no unread. But you're just looking for things like this. Here's David I just started with a couple days ago, telling me he's already had a success he didn't expect. And here's Tanya saying, please send me an email with information. I'll get back to you. That's all you're looking for, is anybody that's talking about doing business with you. You then literally just go over to the software itself, and it's ready to go. You don't even have to push anything. All of these, you see the connect is running. The others are queued. It will jump from one to the other and execute everything. So it's literally anywhere between 5, 10, or 15 minutes a day to generate sales and referrals from LinkedIn using my strategy and using this software, which is only $15 a month.